In the most recent automobile owner survey, more than 5,000 drivers participated, offering insightful data on ownership cost, fuel prices, driving performance, and reliability. A minimum of 20 satisfaction index entries were made for each of the 10 models, with the lowest overall average ratings. For today's video, we will be talking about the worst car to own in 2020. Interested to know what these cars are? Just keep on watching. Ford Fiesta, 2013 to 2017. Satisfaction rating 79.4%. The old Ford Fiesta, which was sold from 2013 to 2017, has the lowest owner satisfaction in the UK. Drivers expressed dissatisfaction with the in-car technology, fuel efficiency, and driving dynamics of the Fiesta. The average reliability rating for this Ford is likewise among the lowest in the index. The most recent Fiesta, debuting in 2017, fared better, scoring much higher in every category. Early in 2013, the revamped Ford Fiesta, which is the nation's favorite vehicle, went on sale with sharper styling and a slew of new technology capabilities. Ford's new trapezoidal grille and laser-cut headlamps with daytime running lights are added to the front end. Minor adjustments have also been made to the interior's center console and trim. Honda HR-V, 2015 to 2021. Satisfaction rating 83.9%. Owners of the Honda compact SUV HR-V criticize it for its poor performance and high repair expenses. The HR-V receives a poor average of 7.29 out of 10 for its underwhelming in-car technology. Although the average rating for owner satisfaction for the HR-V is among the lowest, the Honda does receive a practicality rating of 9.58 out of 10. Honda's response to the compact SUV is the HR-V, which is a brand new vehicle for Honda, even though it bears a name that dates back to the early 2000s. It is based on the Smart Jazz and has a small footprint. Is enjoyable to drive and has low operating expenses. It presents a very compelling case for being an all-A-rounder for small families. Mercedes-Benz C-Class Estate, 2014 to 2021. Satisfaction rating 84.8%. The outdated C-Class Estate, with its high repair cost, uncomfortable rides, and lackluster in-car technology, falls into our bottom 10 with a dismal satisfaction rating of 84.8%. Owners gives the C-Class 9 out of 10 for road handling, performance, and convenience of use. So it's not all awful. Along with the BMW 3 Series Touring and the Audi A4 Avant, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class Estate is one of the three main premium compact wagon competitors. Other models like the Volvo V60 and Volkswagen Golf Estate are also vying for this market share. Rivals strive to provide a blend of luxury and comfort in addition to the more obvious estate car attributes of room and practicality, making it a fiercely competitive market. Land Rover Discovery Sport. Satisfaction rating 84.9%. With an average score of only 84.9% in this year's satisfaction index, the Discovery Sport does poorly. Although the Discovery Sport is safe and useful, owners complain that it is unreliable and expensive to fix. Real-world fuel economy is another area that needs improvement, with the drivers scoring it a dismal 7.55 out of 10. The Discovery Sport is the Freelander's chic and opulent replacement. Forget about making like-for-like comparisons, though, as the Discovery Sport outperforms its predecessors on every front. Honda Jazz 2008 to 2015. Satisfaction rating 85.3%. Although the Honda Jazz is a well-liked second-hand automobile, owner reviews are quite inconsistent. Although the Jazz receives a stellar 9.7 out of 10 for reliability, it has a very low rating for comfort, performance and technology. The Jazz also received a poor road handling rating of 8.45 out of 10, placing this well-liked hatchback among the poorest in terms of owner satisfaction. The 2008 Jazz incorporates all of the popular features of the previous model. It moves forward a short distance. You get an interior that is much more adaptable, improved performance. Additionally, they improved the way it rides and handles two of the old car's less than stellar features that consumers put up with since the rest of the vehicle was so excellent. Jaguar XF 2008 to 2015. Satisfaction rating 85.4%. In this year's satisfaction index, the previous generation of the Jaguar XF, which was sold for 2008 to 2015, received a depressing score of 85.4%. The Age XF only received a 6.75 out of 10 rating for repair expenses, which is the main complaint from owners. The XF does become better in terms of road performance and comfort, but there is no getting around the fact that problems are expensive to fix and that the car is prone to breakdowns. In a market dominated by German brands like the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes E-Class, the Jaguar XF is a genuinely unique competitor that stands out because to its elegant appearance and delightfully distinctive interior. Jaguar moved away from the traditional styling of the S-Type and has instead gone with a sharp yet elegant look, giving the Jaguar XF plenty of road presence, helped by that large gaping grille at the front. Mercedes-Benz A-Class. Satisfaction rating 85.5%. The A-Class is a high-end hatchback that is praised for its clever in-car technology, but falls short in a number of other respects. The A-Class earned only 7.50 out of 10 for fuel economy and 8.85 for road handling, while the average scores for ride comfort and repair cost were merely 8.25 and 8.85, respectively. The 2018 Mercedes-Benz A-segment competes with the top vehicles in the luxury hatchback class, unlike the previous model which was successful despite rather than because of its strength. The A-Class is really good in many different ways, but so is the competition, which includes the Audi A3, BMW 1 Series, and Volkswagen Golf, well worthy of your consideration. Suzuki Vitara. Satisfaction rating 85.7%. In the most recent Honest John Satisfaction Index, the Suzuki Vitara has a dismal score of 85.7%. Suzuki's SUV received harsh criticism from owners for its subpar infotainment and dismal ride quality. The Vitara receives a respectable 9.37 out of 10 for dependability, and customers particularly appreciate the Suzuki's simplicity of use and extensive safety equipment. The Suzuki Vitara moniker is a byword for steadfast dependability, affordability, and minimal operating expenses. Although there are classier competitors, the most recent Vitara combines all these attractive qualities with a roomy interior and is surprisingly enjoyable to drive. Volvo XC60 2008 to 2017. Satisfaction rating 85.9%. The poor performance from the outdated Volvo XC60. Owners complain that the inside technology is outdated and that the old XC60 does not perform as efficiently as stated. The Volvo XS60 averaged by 85.9% in this year's satisfaction index, since it also receives lower rating for dependability and ride comfort. The Volvo XC60 is one example of how Volvo appears to be mastering the art of creating attractive, functional, and secure automobiles. with vehicles like the Svelte Audi Q5 and the audacious Land Rover Freelander 2 as competitors. It is undoubtedly distinctive and definitely stands out. It's less boxy and clumsy than the larger XC90, and the sharp front end even served as the model for updates to the Volvo C70 convertible and C30 hatchback. Although it appears large, it is actually rather little, shorter than a Ford Mondeo, for example, so parking and maneuvering in confined areas isn't as difficult as you might anticipate. Jaguar XE. Satisfaction rating 86.1%. Owners give the newest Jaguar XE mixed ratings. The XE's road handling, safety features, and dependability are popular with drivers. However, drivers give the Jaguar a poor rating for practicality. Owners complain that the XE is expensive to fuel and repair when problems arise, which adds to the issue of running expenses. The Jaguar XE is a formidable rival to vehicles like the Mercedes-Benz C-Class, Audi A4, and BMW 3 Series, thanks to its appealing appearance, enjoyable performance, and significantly enhanced interior, starting in 2019. The Jaguar XE borrows many design elements from the XF and uses the same aluminum construction methods to compete with German rivals for weight and rigidity. The XE is hence really enjoyable to drive. The suspension also impresses, striking a good balance between comfort and engagement when it comes to tackling challenging corners. So which car do you think would be the worst to own? And which automobile drew your attention? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to MIA Luxury Cars for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.